Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm going to walk you through the Conversation Views feature. The Conversation Views feature allows you to save filters so that you can go back to specific sets of messages every single time without needing to apply the filters over and over again. For example, you can save unassigned conversations, assigned conversations, messages from specific channels only, or maybe high priority chats based on tags. Let me show you how you can set this up. So first we want to make sure to click on Conversations on the left, and then your Conversations panel will open up. On the left hand side you have this little arrow, so open this one up and you can see here the Views feature. What we want to do is create different lists. So let's create one according to different channels. Let's say click Create View, and then here you can give it a name. Let's say WhatsApp. Then we can select the filter type. Let's select last message channel is or is not. So let's say is, and then we're going to select WhatsApp because we want to create a list that only shows us the WhatsApp messages. Then we can go ahead and say end Instagram, for example, or SMS, for example. In this case, we are going to keep it as WhatsApp only. Let's hit Create View. And here on the left hand side, you see our first view has been created. Let's do the next one. Let's create view. And let's go assigned to. So in this case, let's say you have several different people working within your organization, and each of them, they can just create a channel for themselves to only see the messages that are assigned to them. So they can click assigned to, and then they select their name from the drop-down menu. Then you want to rename it, assigned to me, for example, and hit Create View. Now, as you can see, there are no messages assigned to this person within this filter. And if we click on WhatsApp, we can see all the WhatsApp messages showing up right here. Amazing. Now, we can also filter by tag. So let's say we would go into the WhatsApp view, can click the three dots and edit it. Let's say we only want to see the messages that have a specific tag. So we already selected the WhatsApp channel, and then let's select end. Tag is. You can also select is not, is empty, is not empty. In this case, we go with is, and then select your desired tag. In this case, we're going to select applicant, and then we want to rename this, okay? WhatsApp and applicants, for example, okay? Let's hit save. Are you sure you want to change the name? Yep. And then you can see here, it has renamed the view to WhatsApp and applicants. Now, you could also go and create filters based on who's the follower, who's been mentioned, last message direction, last outbound message type, last message channel, and tag. So it's pretty similar to the actual filters that you can typically select up here. It's just that you can now save them as a view. Now you could also create one for Instagram, for example. Let's say your communications manager is managing all your messages and they just want to have it organized by channel. Then let's go to last message channel is Instagram. And let's hit save. So here we have now an Instagram channel, we have an assigned to me channel, and we have a WhatsApp channel for applicants. Now, please note that these views are only being created per user. So if user A creates those views within their account, user B won't see those views. User B will have to create their own views. However, you can go ahead and actually share your view lists by clicking the three dots, click the share button, and then here you can select share with all the users that are being registered within the CRM or share with selected users. Then you can tick boxes here. Who would you like to share this with? And then hit share. And if you wanted to go ahead and simply delete a list, you click the three dots, hit the delete button, confirm you want to delete it, and the list has been deleted. Now, I hope you like this feature, which will help you to stay organized within your inbox, which can get messy quite quickly. And don't forget to check out all of our other videos, which will help you to learn the ins and outs from our entire CRM. I will see you then.